What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Dogecoin today. So before we go over that, please hit the like button and subscribe. And please also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. But more importantly, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the comment section. And also leave your comments. Let me know what you guys want me to go over next, because that really helps out immensely. I have this whole list of everything I'm going over today, or not even today, but over a long period of time, because there's a lot of content to go over. Yeah, I'm definitely going to go over all this stuff. So let me know in the comment section what you guys want to hear about next, and hit that like button. So let's get straight to it. As you can see here, we are breaking out of our consolidation period here inside Dogecoin. So now we're heading right up to our resistance that we had at 31.50. So as we hold up to that level and we actually get there, we're going to end up, we're probably going to end up breaking out of it and then breaking all the way out to the 35-cent resistance. So yeah, we had 35-cent resistance, and we're probably going to end up going up there and breaking that out there. So definitely happy here with this consolidation period, because the first one that we had, we just broke all the way out and went down two levels here, 1, 2 inside the Fibonacci retracement, and we went all the way down here to 26-cent support. And now we're breaking out inside of two different consolidations where we broke out in a positive trend line. So this positive trend line that we're breaking out on here with Dogecoin, really good news here. Yesterday, I guess you can say I predicted this. I said we're going to do something similar to this and go up to this next resistance line before we retest our support levels that we had previously. But I definitely believe Dogecoin is about to keep rising like this, and the whole crypto market has been rising a lot. So one thing I want to talk about here is Bitcoin. I mean, look at this, 41.2% dominance in Bitcoin. Now, I want to talk about this because Bitcoin was 45% dominance just last week, and now it's 41.2%. So Bitcoin is kind of losing some dominance, and Ethereum is gaining dominance over at 20%. So look at Ethereum here, 22.62% in the last 7 days. That's a lot. And Bitcoin only 3.22%, but it's probably the equivalent or nearly equivalent, because you got to think about it. Bitcoin doing a 20% rise is going to bring Bitcoin to like 60 to 70K. Like, it's just gonna be parabolic. It's gonna go crazy. But for Ethereum, it's only gonna be a few $100s where it goes up. So you got to think about the different prices between those two. But anyways, Dogecoin is doing pretty well too. Look at this, 2.55% inside the last 24 hours, 8.91% in the last 7 days with Dogecoin at $40.1 billion in market cap. Dogecoin is doing fairly well here. New Dogecoins coming into the circulation every single day. Definitely like to see that. But a lot of people don't like how Dogecoin is always printing coins 24/7. But it's how Dogecoin works, and it's how it's number 8. If Dogecoin didn't do that, yeah, it probably would be worth a little bit more. But Dogecoin, it's a good use of currency. It's what you want to do if you go to a coffee shop and you're spending $5. Like, you want to spend that with Dogecoin, not Bitcoin. But yeah, Dogecoin is definitely going to take over inside the payment space for the cryptos. So let's go on to the next thing. Now that we got this little technical analysis out the way with Dogecoin, we are going all the way up to 35 cents. I do want to make my prediction. Honestly, I want to say by next month, Dogecoin is going to be at 40 cents. 40 cents by next month. And then, the month after that, hopefully we can reach 50 cents. And, by next year, sometime next year, we're going to be at $1 hands down with Dogecoin. But yeah, let's move on. So as you can see here, we're having so many different whales coming here with so much money. This is actually the number 3 whale. I want to go back over here so you can actually see me click on this. Look at this. This is the number 3 whale right here. Came in $1.3 billion right here. This Dogecoin whale, they usually switch wallets left and right. So I did a little bit of tracking, and this came from a previous Dogecoin whale. They switch their wallets up so often. But yeah, there's always money transacting through Dogecoin. That's $1.3 billion. And this transaction right here reflects inside the 24-hour trading volume. So whenever you see the 24-hour trading volume just going parabolic, it's probably because someone like this just now transacted Dogecoin. So whenever these transactions happen, this happened yesterday. So it's going to show up here inside the 24-hour trading volume. That's a lot of money that they just now transacted. So lots of Dogecoin whales are transacting their money all the time. And this Dogecoin whale came in with a one-time purchase of $104.6 million. That's a lot of money. $104.6 million. When it gets to $1, they're going to have $345 million, because 345 million Dogecoins. So all of this money that's transacting through Dogecoin helps Dogecoin's price continue to rise. You got this Dogecoin whale coming in today with $60 million of a one-time purchase today at 30 cents. That's huge. At $1, it'll be $198 million, which is definitely good. And then you got this Dogecoin whale. This Dogecoin whale decided they would do some, little day trading here and there. So yeah, these Dogecoin whales are making a lot of money. They're seeing the opportunities here with Dogecoin. Dogecoin's going crazy, parabolic. But let's talk about some of the news here, man. Well, one of the things I want to go over here is the $1 Dogecoin prediction. We all know it's going to hit $1, but let's go over it because some people are losing hope in Dogecoin. Some people are getting a little pessimistic on us here. But yeah, I definitely believe Dogecoin is going to rise. But let's read about this. Now, Dogecoin, the world's most popular meme coin, may finally reach a $1 valuation, according to market analysis. Remember, these guys do this for a living. They literally go to college for this. They get degrees. They learn this stuff. They learn finances and financial markets, and they do nothing but the financial markets. This is huge. So this analysis said this Gianni Di Proce, and it sounds like a Spaniard name, European Spanish. Gianni Di Proce. But yeah, president of the Mercator, a market research company. So yeah, he's the president of a market research company, and he's saying Dogecoin is reaching $1. This has got to say that Dogecoin is very reliable. Like, come on now. But anyways, in an event at the Benzinga Crypto Trading Festival, he said that he wouldn't be surprised if Doge would indeed reach the $1 mark. He added that the meme coin is starting to form something that resembles a bull flag or a bull pennant. And with these indications, he said the public should expect that Dogecoin's value would continue to rise and achieve new records. And like I'm saying, I'm seeing these bullish patterns like time after time again. Look, we broke out of 2 consolidation periods back to back with an uptrend. Like this, if this is not something, then I don't know what to tell you. Like if this is not a good time, then I don't know what to tell you. Because look, this is going to result in us just going parabolic, going crazy with Dogecoin. Like these are just little bumps in the road. Like these are just little increases right here. And they're preparing for the large increase that we're about to have. And this large increase is more than likely going to bring us eventually up here to 35 cents and then eventually all the way to the top. So let me go over here and move all the way up to the top here, because eventually we're going to get all the way up here, possibly to 40 cents level inside of the next month. Like I said, 40 cents. And it's preparing for that uptrend there. We're going to have a huge jump. It's just going to happen. Maybe Elon Musk makes a tweet. Maybe he doesn't. But it's going to happen with or without that tweet, because Dogecoin has been doing well without Elon Musk talking about it. He really hasn't been talking about Dogecoin a lot lately. But anyways, Dogecoin is doing really well. And I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 40 cents by next month. So Dogecoin advocates, we're getting more Dogecoin advocates inside the Doge community. As you can see here, Dogecoin has increased in popularity in recent months thanks to prominent figures who openly supported the meme coin, blah, blah, blah. Bunch of nonsense here. Not nonsense, but Then they got Mark Cuban and Dallas Mavericks backing Dogecoin. But anyways, Dogecoin is going to reach $1 in the discussion. We all know it's going to happen. Let's be completely honest. Dogecoin's going to hit $1. Dogecoin to the moon, all that. So look at this. Shop.com partners with BitPay to roll out Bitcoin payment feature. And remember, when big websites like this start rolling out crypto payments, usually people start paying in Dogecoin because they don't want to spend their Bitcoins. They're like, nah, I'm not spending Bitcoin. Dogecoin's cheap. It's 30 cents for one Dogecoin. I'll spend Dogecoin. Dogecoin, prints a bunch of coins. It's inflationary. It prints so many coins. Like it's just common sense to use Dogecoin as a currency rather than Bitcoin. When people want to buy something at the store, they don't go and bring a gold bar and like, look, let me get $1,000 worth of food because I got this gold bar. Like, no, gold is very scarce. No one's going to do that. It's really scarce. So they're really not going to do that with Dogecoin, with gold. So that's just like with Bitcoin. They're not going to do that with Bitcoin. They're going to do that with Dogecoin because Dogecoin is printed just like that, just like the US dollar. But anyway, Shop.com, a US-based e-commerce, is tapping the growing popularity of cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, by finally offering payments of Bitcoin on its platform. So that's really big news here, expanding market presence. So they're also going to be accepting other things, not just Bitcoin. They're going to be accepting everything, just like Dogecoin too. So this is really big news here. Shop.com is really big. It's a really big company out here. As you can see here, Shop.com customers can now select the BitPay option so they can pay through their crypto wallets. Through the partnership, users have the option to pay in Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ether, Litecoin, and Dogecoin wrapped Bitcoin, including the 5 USD pegged stablecoins like USDC, USDT, all that stuff. But yeah, this is big news right here. People are more than likely going to use Dogecoin for this and not Bitcoin. But also, I already talked about this last thing here, but we're going to go over it again. Vitalik Buterin suggests for Dogecoin and Doge's corporation with Ethereum, some personal stuff here. So personally, I hope that Dogecoin can switch to POS soon. So POS is proof of stake, and if you don't know who Vitalik Buterin he is literally the co-founder of Ethereum. He's a literal billionaire here, and he's really big in the crypto space. So personally, I hope that Doge can switch to POS soon, which is proof of stake, and then perhaps using Ethereum code. I also hope they don't cancel the 5 billion per year annual POW issuance. So instead, they put it in some kind of DAO that funds global public goods. So just like how there's 5 billion Dogecoins printed into the economy every single year, they're saying, I hope it doesn't get rid of that POW, which is proof of work issuance, is proof of work. So instead of getting rid of that, they're like, look, take this $5 billion and then put it into global public good funds, like different charities and stuff that you can donate to, different stuff like that. But anyways, it would fit well with Dogecoin's non-greedy, wholesome ethos, because remember, Doge stands for do only good every day. So yeah, it's only right that we give that out to, public deeds. So yeah, definitely good news here, and definitely good looking out there for Vitalik Buterin talking about this. But yeah, this is all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But if you do like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stack with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And this is all I got. Peace.